Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on generating speech from text using Clipchamp. Whether you want to create voiceovers for your videos, Clipchamp makes it easy and efficient. Let's dive in and learn how to do it step by step. Go to Clipchamp in your browser. The links are given in the video description. Sign in or create an account. You can sign in using your Google account or create a new account if you don't have one. Create a new project. Once signed in, click on the Create a New Video button to start your project. Click on the Record and Create option. Select Text to Speech from the menu. Now you have to enter your text. Type or paste the text you want to convert to speech in the provided text box. Choose from the available voice options to select the one that best suits your project. You can also select the language and here a sample of the voice to make sure it matches your needs. Before saving, click on the Preview button to listen to the generated speech. When satisfied, click on the Save button to finalize your text-to-speech conversion. Give your file a name. Click the Export button and select the desired quality for your output. Finally, click to save your computer to download the file. And that's it. You have successfully converted text into speech using Clipchamp. This tool is super handy for creating voiceovers, narrations, or even fun audio projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to share it with others and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching.